In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to point a domain to your server in Siteground. This is a crucial step for anyone managing their own website, as it ensures that when visitors type in your domain name, they are directed to your server where your website lives. So, let's dive in and get your domain pointed correctly. First, let's head over to Siteground's website. You'll want to start by visiting the web hosting perfected page on Siteground. This is where all the magic begins, and having a direct link to your hosting platform is always a good starting point. Once you're on the Siteground homepage, look for the login option. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to proceed with logging into your account. Make sure you have your login details handy, as you'll need to enter them to access your dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the Siteground homepage. This is your central hub for managing your hosting account and websites. So from here, navigate to your account overview by heading to My Siteground Account. This link is typically found either in the main navigation menu or under a drop down titled with your account name. Next, you'll need to access your list of websites. Locate and click on the website section. It's very user friendly, showing you all the domains and websites associated with your account. This section is important because you'll select the particular domain you wish to point to your server. Within the website section, look for an option labeled Site Tools. Clicking on this will direct you to a selection of tools specifically designed for managing your website's technical settings. Within the Site Tools interface, you want to search for the IP and name servers option. This is where you'll find the current name servers for your domain. Name servers are pivotal because they ensure your domain connects seamlessly to your server, letting users access your website. Make a note of these name servers as you'll use them in the control panel or domain registrar where your domain is registered. Remember, after you've updated your domain's name servers with the registrar, it can take up to 48 hours for these changes to propagate across global DNS servers. So, patience is key. During this time, users might see your old website or get an error when trying to visit your domain. Rest assured, this is normal. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully pointed your domain to your server in Siteground. Ensuring your domain and hosting are correctly configured means your website will be live and accessible, ready for visitors to explore. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.